So Newton's equation for spherical mirror. We learned that the distance of the object from the pole is defined as object distance, distance of the image from the pole is defined as image distance, and distance of the focus from the pole is defined as focal length. So we also derived the relation between image distance, object distance and focal length as 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. Now Newton said that if we consider those distances not from the pole, from the focus, what will be the then relation of the image distance, object distance and focal length? That is, if we consider the image distance is the distance of the image from the focus, object distance is the distance of the object from the focus, then what will be the relation between that image distance, object distance and focal length? Okay. So first, according to Newton, object distance is the distance of the object from the focus. So equals to distance of the object from the focus, that is AF or FA. We can write it as FA equals to PA minus PF, PA minus PF. So we know PA equals to U and PF equals to focal length, that is F. Let's consider this distance is as x. So x equals to u minus f. So u equals to, you can write x plus f. Okay. Next, image distance according to Newton is the distance of the image from the focus, distance of the image from the focus. If A, we can write it as PA minus PF, that is V minus F. So let's consider this image distance as y. So V equals to y plus f. Let's consider it equation number 1. This is equation number 2. We know 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f. So here just putting the value of u and v. 1 by v equals to y plus f plus 1 by x plus f equals to 1 by f. So now LCM y plus f, x plus f, x plus f plus y plus f equals to 1 by f. So cross multiplying xf plus yf plus 2f square equals to xy plus xf plus yf plus f square. So xf, yf, yf and 2f square will be single f square. So f square equals to xy. This is the Newton's equation. X into y equals to f square. F is the focal length, x is the distance of the object from the focus, y is the distance of the image from the focus.